Hello viewers, Black Friday is upon us, Cyber Monday as well for that matter, and at TheStopHunter we've got all your Renko needs fully covered, and in this video I want to take you through our Black Friday sale offering, some fantastic offers in there for you, not to be repeated. End of Cyber Monday UK time, so you're gonna have to act fast, and I'm going to take you through exactly what we can offer you. Well, there's plenty going on, and it's all happening in our digital world, and to access that I'll put the links in the description below this. You need to go to payhip.com/TheStopHunter and you will land upon our sales page there with all the products that you need to know about. You can see them there in front of you right now. Just going to work your way through them. At the bottom there we have the Renko Chart Trading Revolution, either in EPUB or PDF format, available for you there. £10 off the usual price there, $29.99 now. Also bundle, if you want the EPUB and PDF together, that also on sale at $49.99. The 2025 Masterclass, Trading Masterclass there for Renko. That's down now at £90. And if you want that with the Renko Chart Trading Revolution book as well, that is, I think it's about £30 off that now, $101.99. And then we've got other bundles up the top there. Our latest book, the Samurai Trading Code with the Renko Chart Trading Revolution, just $39.99, or the Samurai Trading Code itself, just $9.99. Now, the Renko Bot Build and Master Python for Trading courses are already on offer, but they also form part of the Black Friday Renko Mega Bundle package. Before we go into that, just to say that the Renko block calculator is at $6.99, but it's free in a lot of those bundles, so check that out as well. So heading into the Mega Bundle, what do you get for that? This is our, creme de la creme. It's only available till the end of Cyber Monday, and it's also limited to only 50 units, and once they've gone, they've gone. I won't be doing this anymore, and I won't be doing it at this price. It's $2.99 at the moment, but if we click on that, you can see it normally retails at $743.98, so there's a huge saving there for you. So what do you get on top of all of that value? You get the block size calculator, you get the PDF Renko Chart Trading Revolution book, you get the Python for Trading e-learning course, you get the Renko Bot Build e-learning course at substantial discounts, and on top of all of that you get a free bonus ticket to the January 2026 Renko Masterclass, which is normally about £100 for the ticket, and it's yours in on this bundle. And like I said, it's only 50 available, so you're going to have to act fast. You want to find out more about it, it's all in that page. And remember, this is access into this Renko world. You want to take your trading up a notch to a few years into 2026. This is the bundle you need to get. All your questions asked there, and you can also explore all the other products. Also, you want to go to the Renko Bot Build, scroll down, it's got FAQs and all the information you need to know about it. Same for the Master for Python Trading Code, or any of the other products for that matter. So that's the digital Black Friday specials that we've got. So let me just put that into some summary table for you. So let's summarize. We start with the Renko Mega Bundle, only £299, was $743.98 if you add it all together. Remember, only 50 bundles available. They're going quick, so once they've gone, they have all gone. I won't be putting this bundle at this price on availability ever again. And what do you get inside that? Renko block size calculator, the Renko PDF book, the Python for Trading pre-order access, Renko Bot Build pre-order access, and free ticket to the January 26 Renko Masterclass. Individual Black Friday deals, the Renko EPUB and PDF combo, $49.99, so saving £10 there. Samurai Trading Code, $9.99. Renko and Samurai PDF bundle, just $39.99. The Renko Trading Masterclass from this year, plus the block size calculator, just £90. And the Renko Masterclass and the Renko book, plus the calculator there, just $109.99. Note that these are all digital products with instant access, and check the terms and conditions out on the web page. There you go, that's our Black Friday sale. It's live now. Jump on the website www.payhip.com/TheStopHunter. Check out our store, check out the offers, and like I said, I think we've got you fully covered there in the world of Renko, Samurai Trading, and all your trading needs heading into 2026. So check out those links in the description below, and I hope to see you on some of those courses, the masterclasses, in the very near future.